Hello everyone, it's Harry here and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, your daily destination for the latest and most fascinating updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world. If you're just joining us, make sure you stick around because today's news could very well shape the future of XRP. Let's dive right into the headlines. Big news has been flooding the XRP ecosystem recently. Ripple, the powerhouse behind XRP, is making strategic waves again, and investors are taking notice. On April 2nd, Ripple moved a staggering 1 billion XRP between wallets, a surprising maneuver, especially since there was no scheduled escrow release this time around. This deviation from their usual routine has everyone wondering, is Ripple revisiting its strategy? Or are we looking at a tactical adjustment based on evolving market conditions? Let's break this down. Ripple spread the 1 billion XRP across various wallets, with major transactions of 300 million and 200 million XRP within minutes, followed by further transfers totaling another 500 million XRP. While large-scale transfers like these are typical for Ripple, the timing here is creating buzz. Ripple's failure to conduct its usual escrow release signals potential strategic shifts, possibly tied to market liquidity, operational needs, or even regulatory optics. This comes as Ripple seeks to maintain stability in the XRP ecosystem, amid growing demand for institutional-grade solutions. Now, while this reshuffling initially triggered a slight dip in XRP's price, trading at $2.09 as of April 3rd, investors' eyes remain fixed on the bigger picture, and for good reasons. Here's where the story gets even more exciting. According to recent reports, Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, is seeking regulatory approval from the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, to launch XRP futures contracts by April 21, 2025. This move would open up an entirely new way for institutional and retail investors to gain exposure to XRP, offering a regulated, capital-efficient trading option. These contracts, cash-settled and valued at around $20,000 each based on current XRP prices, could amplify both interest and investment in XRP across traditional finance markets. Why does this matter? For one, XRP futures could serve as a stepping stone toward a spot XRP ETF, a development that has been gaining momentum since Ripple's legal settlement with the SEC. Analysts point out that future markets often pave the way for spot ETFs, just as we saw with Bitcoin and Ethereum. If approved, this could solidify XRP as a heavyweight contender in the crypto market by attracting more institutional capital. Speaking of institutional support, Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin, designed for seamless cross-border payment solutions, is also making headlines. Recent discussions in the U.S. Congress surrounding stablecoin regulation have sparked optimism that Ripple's RLUSD could gain traction, potentially skyrocketing XRP's adoption on a global scale. Some experts predict that if this legislation passes favorably, XRP's price might soar to an astounding $10 by the end of April. The alignment of regulatory clarity and Ripple's strategic innovations couldn't be more timely. But that's not all. One of the most intriguing developments in the XRP ecosystem is Blockscale, a launchpad tailored specifically for startups on the XRP ledger. This growing project recently exceeded its soft cap by raising 13,000 XRP in its block token seed sale. By delivering real-world asset tokenization and creating avenues for fractional ownership in projects, Blockscale is proving to be a game-changer for XRP's utility. This kind of infrastructure is exactly what the ecosystem needs to attract more creators and entrepreneurs. Adding to this positive momentum, XRP continues to maintain its position as one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies in recent weeks. The asset has rebounded above $2, currently trading around $2.09, and analysts suggest we might see a potential rally toward $3 or higher in the coming weeks. Market technicals are showing renewed buying sentiment, with strong support around the $2 mark, indicating that XRP could be preparing for a major breakout. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. XRP's journey from regulatory hurdles to becoming a leader in the crypto finance sector is nothing short of inspiring. Ripple's commitment to global adoption, innovative solutions like RLUSD, and consistent project developments like Blockscale only strengthen XRP's fundamental value. Combined with potential market catalysts like futures trading and legislative clarity, the narrative for XRP in 2025 is shaping up to be remarkably bullish. So what's next for XRP? Well, Ripple's strategic shifts and Coinbase's push for XRP futures contracts are developments every investor should be watching closely. Ripple's long-term vision remains focused on solidifying XRP's position as a cornerstone of digital and traditional financial systems alike. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What do you think about Ripple's recent moves? Could these developments pave the way for XRP to hit new highs in 2025? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's update and want to stay informed about the exciting world of XRP, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Millionaires, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload. Share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts, and let's grow this community together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay bullish, stay informed, and as always, keep building those crypto portfolios. Take care.